Hello and welcome. This video will show how I installed DCC into a Bachmann Hi Rail bus. As you can see by the diagram, this will be a hardwired decoder installation with some modifications to the frame. First, you will need to separate the frame in half. Make a mark on the top side of the motor and remove it from the frame halves. Although this photo is of the Bachmann step van, the components are very similar to the bus. Remove and discard the MT06 spring clips which brought power from the frame to the motor. These clips will not be used for DCC installation. Select the DCC decoder of your choice. I used a 3-function Digitrax decoder in my bus. Carefully solder the orange and gray decoder wires to the tabs on the motor. Do not overheat these tabs. Again, a similar installation of decoder motor wires. Now slide the motor back into the frame and reassemble the two frame halves back together. Do not pinch the motor wires when reassembling the frame halves. Using an ohm meter, check for shorts between the assembled frame halves. Also, check that the motor connections do not touch the frame. Since there is not a good way to attach the decoder power leads to the frame, drill and tap a 440 hole into each frame half. Be careful that these holes do not interfere with the mechanism. Connect the red decoder wire to the right frame half using a 440 screw and the black decoder wire to the left frame half. Temporarily insulate the white, yellow, green, and blue wires and place the bus frame on the test track to see that the bus goes in the direction the controller is set for. If the bus goes in the opposite direction, then you need to swap the orange and gray wires on the motor. Optionally, just add 1 to whatever value is in C, V29 to correct direction issues without rewiring. This is a wiring diagram for the decoder connections I used on my bus. Detail your bus up as desired. I used MV lenses for the flashers and tail light lenses. Have fun and enjoy your Hi Rail bus. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at CR4114HO.